Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been 4 years since my last video and I am back and ready to create. Now in this video you guys are gonna watch me decorate, organize my workout space, and I'm really excited, and let's get into this video. I know you guys are probably wondering what happened. It's been such a long time. Well, you know what? I just took a break from YouTube for a while and I just needed that mental break, and in this time I lost my dad, and it was one of the hardest chapters that I had to just overcome in my life, and I just needed a break. And now I'm ready to start creating, ready to start making these videos, and I'm really excited because I have so much planned for this channel. And you guys, if you've been here with me from the times of creating my DIYs, my blinged out DIYs, I'm really excited and really happy that you guys stuck with me. And you guys, it's gonna be fun. We have so much to do here, and I also need your input, and I also need your ideas and your creativity as well. Not everything is gonna turn out okay, but we're gonna do it together, and I'm excited. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first video back, you guys. I'm just gonna start organizing my house from top to bottom, one room at a time. And this was the first room that I chose because I use it a lot since I started making my mental health and my fitness kind of like my priority right now. So this was my first space. I had all of these things in the garage, and I just decided to move it to that room slowly, and I just decided to film it. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you guys again so much for sticking with me, and let's just do this together. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.